Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create an account for Amazon Prime Video. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I am on the site and I'm logged out of my account, and I'll be showing you guys how you can create one. For this, you'll be using your Amazon account, so you can create an account on Amazon as well, and then start using it here. You can just click here on sign in, and as you can see, it sets up this sign up page where you have Prime Video and you have the option to sign in if you already have an existing account. If not, you just need to go into create your Amazon account, enter your details, and follow these steps. And once you've entered everything, you will need to verify that by going to your email address, which you specified during the sign up process, and then getting the code from there or clicking the link to verify that it is you. And then once you click that link, your Amazon Prime Amazon account will be created, and then you can go into Amazon Prime Video and sign in by going, of course, into sign in, selecting your email address, entering your password. You can also select to keep you signed in if you want, and then once you sign in, you'll have access to Amazon Prime Video. However, you do need to have a subscription for this first, since it is a subscription based system. But yeah, once you've got the account and a subscription, you can use it freely. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.